Alright, it's been a while, my phone was broke. Volvo T40 S5 alternator replacement. Nightmare. Not too bad. You only have to take out 4 screws and a hose clamp. That's the oil dipstick. So, unhook the battery, take out the breather box, unplug the plugs. Breather box sets right there. Then the oil dipstick is down in here somewhere. It goes right there. You take out that one screw, take the dipstick out, take loose the intake hose, and you stuff it down back in behind here. As far down as you can. See, it's stuffed. It gives you room right here to get the alternator out. So then you go underneath. And they got 2 number 10 plastic screws here and here. You take these 2 out, pull this back. That's the tensioner right there. You put a star bit in here, and that's a hang on. It's a T50. You pull the tensioner, you release the belt. Then there's 3 number 10 screws holding in the alternator. One on the top that goes in right here, down here, right there, and 2 on the bottom. Take those 2 out, and you can pull the alternator right through this big ass hole right here. Not too hard. Yes, you have to unplug stuff. Yes, you have to take stuff out. But it's not that hard. Good luck.